Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Today, I'm still thinking about this strut on this and whether it's what I really want to do. I have a couple of old 1/8 inch Fuller's strut. This was originally intended for catamarans back in the day, and in fact, Octura still makes struts with a fin on them, and that was the thinking with cats, is you'd put a strut with a fin on it and have an extended rudder, and that would give you something to push and pull on in steering. So my plan is this. I have a couple of Fuller's brackets left, so I'll use their setup, either with or without a skeg. And then imagine, if you would, this rudder bracket being considerably longer. I would just mount that to the transom and use basically a bigger rudder than you would normally find on this boat. So a longer bracket, a longer rudder, because there's going to be more rudder out of the water. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Still not sure. But just some thoughts. Do any of you guys have experience with these? I've never run one. I own one, but I've never run it. Now, the real purpose for today's video, didn't have a whole lot to share with you here, was pimping the Atlas kits. These were a couple of early prototypes. This one had the old motor mount and old servo mounts, and those have long since changed. This is a little newer iteration where I gave you some nut plates here, but I didn't give you holes in the sponson doubler. Anyway, I have enough material that I can produce 16 kits. I've got 8 sheets of plywood. I can make 16 kits. I've had some interest in the short circuit, more interest than normal, in the short circuit, that being the 1950s and 60s round nose hydro. So I usually make less of those. I may make 8 and 8. I may make 6 and 10. Time will tell. But after I do, it will be a long, really long time before I make another run of kits. Just because it's such a hassle. You got to get the boxes. You got to mail the boxes. Because it's 2 feet long, shipping's expensive. Shipping is expensive because it's 2 feet long. So I can get you kits shipped for $65 in the US of A. Outside the US of A, I'll have to see what the shipping is. Germany is not that bad. England is not that bad. Canada, for some reason, even though we share a border, it seems to be more expensive than shipping it across the Atlantic. So you'll have to see on that. So there you go, boys and girls. I will be making a run of kits very soon. They'll be short kits. You'll get this, plus all the templates for all the balsa parts and full building instructions. I think there's a bunch of photographs in there too. I don't recall, but I think I made videos of building them, but no, I didn't. Big B has a video of building his. So take a look at that. Now, let's talk about powering these things. Little boats are really easy to overpower. So, while, a 40, 60, on 8S might really make this thing go, it won't be drivable. So, there you go, boys and girls. Until next time, jet out.